Hello dear students, welcome to our new video lecture. We are going to study the different body systems and basic life processes in this video. You can watch our previous video of Introduction to Human Anatomy and Physiology. You will get the link of previous video in the description box. Okay, let us start the systems of human anatomy and physiology. In this, there are 12 systems present in the body, right? So first system is the nervous system, then second is the respiratory, third digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, then muscular system, skeletal system, integumentary system, then immune system, endocrine system, reproductive system, and the special sense organs. Okay, so we will see each system one by one. Okay, before that, we will see the diagrams of each system. In that, first is the nervous system. We know that the organs of nervous system are brain and spinal cord. Along with that, various nerves that are arising from the brain and the spinal cord, you can see here, right? Okay, then next is the respiratory system. Okay, what are the organs of respiratory system? First is the nose, right? Then nose, nasal passage, then pharynx, larynx, then trachea. Trachea get divided into two bronchi, then bronchioles, then lungs and diaphragm. It is the last part of the respiratory system, right? Then circulatory system. What are main components of circulatory system? First is the heart, then blood vessels, and the another part is the blood. Which will get circulate? It is the blood, right? So blood is the part of circulatory system. Next system is the digestive system. What are the parts of digestive system? First is the mouth, right? Then salivary glands are present inside the mouth, correct? Then pharynx, then esophagus, stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, and before that, lungs, pancreas, gallbladder is also present in the digestive system. Okay, then after large intestine, anus, rectum, and anus. Okay, then next further excretory system. Okay, what are the parts of excretory system? Pair of kidney, right? Then pair of ureter, then urinary bladder, after that urethra. Okay, so these are the parts of the excretory system. Then muscular system, skeletal muscles, different tendons present over the surface of skeletal muscle. Tendons are important for the joining of bones, right? So these are the parts of muscular system. Then skeletal system is composed of bones, right? The main functioning unit of the skeletal system is the bone. Okay, then cartilages are there, joints are there in the skeletal system. Okay, then integumentary system. Now, what are the types of parts of the integumentary system? First, main part of the integumentary system is the skin. Okay, then hairs and the nails are the parts of the integumentary system. Then immune system. Immune system is nothing but the lymphatic system. Okay, now what are the parts of lymphatic system? These are the lymphatic vessels, right? Lymph nodes are present in the lymphatic vessels. Then main parts, organs of the lymphatic system or the immune system are thymus and the spleen. These are the lymphatic organs, okay, are the part of the immune system. Then endocrine system. As we know, endocrine system, it contains glands, endocrine glands. Okay, so main gland of the endocrine system is the pituitary gland, then thyroid gland, pancreas are present, then adrenal gland, testes, ovaries are the parts of the endocrine system or the glands of the endocrine system. Then last is the reproductive system. Okay, now reproductive system in the male and female are different. Okay, now in male, epididymis, testes, penis, then vas deferens, these are the organs of the male reproductive system, whereas in female, mammary glands, ovaries, then uterus, vagina are the parts of the female reproductive system. Okay, now we will see this system one by one. Okay, first is the nervous system, and organs are the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves arising from the brain and spinal cord. Okay, now what is the function of the nervous system? It functions to coordinate the voluntary and involuntary actions and transmit signals between different body parts. Okay, this is the main function of the nervous system, that is the coordination. Then cardiovascular system. What are the organs? Blood, then heart and blood vessels are the organs of cardiovascular systems. Okay, and functions, as we know, what is the function of cardiovascular system? Pumping of blood. Heart pumps the blood through the blood vessel, and then blood contains oxygen, right? Blood contains RBC, which carries oxygen and nutrients. Okay, so blood carries oxygen and nutrients to the cell, and there they exchange, the blood exchange the oxygen with the carbon dioxide, and then bring the carbon dioxide to the carbon dioxide rich blood to the heart. Okay, this is the function of blood. Then next, digestive system. Organs of digestive system are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine, and anus. And accessory organs are salivary glands, then liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas. Okay, these are the organs of the digestive system, and functions are, function of the digestive system is mechanical and chemical breakdown of food. Okay, this is the first function, and second function is absorption of nutrients and elimination of solid waste. Okay, mechanical and chemical breakdown of food means what? The food material which is coming inside the mouth, it will get chewed by the teeth, that is the mechanical breakdown. And then when we swallow the food material which is in the form of bolus, right, it will come into the stomach, and here the chemical breakdown occur with the help of HCl and other gastric juices. Okay, that is the chemical breakdown. Then absorption of nutrients and elimination of solid waste. As the chemical breakdown occur, so the smaller particle which are important for the nutrition or the energy source for the body get absorbed in the blood. Okay, these are the nutrients which are required for the blood, for the body processes, right? So they get absorbed in the blood, and the other residual product, other waste product get eliminated out of the body through the anus. Okay, then urinary system. Now what are the organs of urinary system? Kidney, ureter, then urinary bladder and urethra. These are the organs of the urinary system, and what they do, they produces, stores and eliminates the urine. Okay, urine means what? It is the waste product, it is the fluid waste product out of the blood. Okay, so function of the urinary system is what? Eliminates waste and regulate volume and chemical composition of blood, and it helps to maintain the acid base balance of the body fluids, as it eliminates water, sodium, unwanted ions get eliminate from the blood, right? So it will maintain the pH level, acid base balance level of the blood. Okay, then fifth system is the respiratory system, and organs are lungs, then pharynx, larynx, trachea and bronchial tubes. Okay, and functions are, what is the function of respiratory system? It inhales oxygen, right? It inhales air which contains oxygen, and then that oxygen will get exchanged with the carbon dioxide. Oxygen comes inside the lungs and carbon dioxide will exhale out of the body. This is the function of the respiratory system. Then lymphatic system. Then sixth is the lymphatic system. Okay, what are the organs of lymphatic system? Lymph, then lymph vessel, spleen, thymus, lymph node and tonsils. There are three lymphatic organs present in the body. First is the spleen, then thymus and the tonsils. These are the three lymphatic organs, and other lymph and lymph vessels, lymph nodes are the part of the lymphatic system. Okay. Now what is the function of lymphatic system? It returns protein and fluid to the blood. It protects against disease causing microbes. Then seventh is the endocrine system. Now what are the organs of the endocrine system? The organs of the endocrine system are pineal gland, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thymus, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovaries and testes. These are the organs, but these are the glands. Okay, as they secrete the hormones into the circulation. So these are the endocrine glands of the endocrine system. Okay, now what is the function of the endocrine system? It regulates body activities by releasing hormone. Okay, next is the muscular system. Next is the muscular system. Now organs of muscular system are the skeletal muscles. Okay, and functions are they produce body movement. Skeletal muscles are important for the body movement as they are the voluntary muscle in the body. They produces the body movement such as walking, running. Okay, and stabilizes the body posture. Generation of heat is also done by the skeletal muscles. Okay, now next system is the special sense organs. There are five special sense organs present in the body. You can see in the diagram. Okay, first is the eye, then ear. Touch is sensed by the skin, right? Then taste for tongue for taste, then nose. Okay, these are different special sense organs and their senses are sight, hearing, touch, taste, smell. Okay, now functions, these are different functions. That means sight, hearing, touch, taste, smell. These are the functions of the special sense organs. Then the reproductive system. Organs of reproductive system for male, they are testes, epididymis, ductus deferens, then penis. These are the organs of the male reproductive system. For female, ovaries, uterine tubes, uterus, vagina are the female reproductive organ. And functions are gonad. Functions of the reproductive system are gonads produce gametes that unite to form a new organism. Okay, reproduction of an organism is the function of the reproductive system. Then basic life processes, there are the multiple basic life processes done by the human body. Okay, in that first is the responsiveness. What is responsiveness? To give a response, to detect the change and to give a response is nothing but the responsiveness. Okay, then metabolism contains two types of processes, catabolism and anabolism. Now catabolism means what? That is the breakdown of the complex material into the simpler form. Okay, and anabolism means what? Formation or buildup of complex chemical substance from the smaller component. So collectively these two terms are known as the metabolism. Okay, then movement means what? Motion of the body. Okay, motion of human body, motion of cells, motion of organs is nothing but the movement. This is a basic life process. Okay, then next is the growth. Growth means what? Increase in size, increase in body size, increase in cell size is nothing but the growth. Then differentiation. Differentiation means what? Development of new cell from a unspecialized cell. The cell which is then further get developed is a specialized cell. Okay, then reproduction means what? Formation of a new individual or formation of a new cell is nothing but the reproduction. A new individual get reproduced. Okay, then respiration means what? Exchange of gases, that is the carbon dioxide and oxygen. Oxygen is required for the living organism, right? So exchange of carbon dioxide with oxygen. Carbon dioxide is exhaled out of the body, okay, thrown out of the body, and oxygen is taken inside the body. So this is the respiration.